Hey everyone! If you've updated Chrome lately, you might notice some changes that make browsing feel cleaner, smarter, and less annoying. Let's take a look at what's new in Chrome. First, there's a big improvement with notifications. Sites you haven't interacted with lately, especially ones that send a lot of alerts you ignore, may have their notification permissions automatically revoked. This helps cut down on distractions without you having to dig into settings manually. Next up, AI-powered summaries. On Android, there's now a shortcut in Chrome to get a quick summary of the page you're on using Gemini. You tap the Summarize page option and browse without getting bogged down in long articles. Also, Chrome has fully integrated Gemini AI on desktop for US users. This means you can ask questions, clarify content, and get AI assistance inside Chrome. No need to switch between apps. For example, if you're reading multiple tabs, Gemini can help you compare info or summarize what each tab is about. Another small but helpful change, Chrome will give you more control in Safety Check to review which sites lost notification permissions. And if you want, you can re-enable notifications for specific sites you actually care about. Lastly, performance and privacy keep improving behind the scenes. Google has patched vulnerabilities, strengthened permission controls, and made it easier to keep your browser up to date with less hassle. That's what's new in Chrome right now. Fewer interruptions, more AI help, and smoother browsing. If you like staying updated like this, hit like and subscribe for more Chrome tips and features.